So we are going to start solving a new question which I call as next permutation over here. The question is next permutation. Pick these next. So let's see an example. Here is a number. Here is a sequence. So there is a sequence. 1, 2, 3. So what we will be doing over here. So let me first tell you the algorithm. So what we will do, step 1, we will traverse backwards. And check for which array of I is less than array of I plus 1. Because if you ever use a dictionary, you will say that they are in the form of this 1, 2, 3. This is the highest number that I could achieve. And they are doing like this. They will be falling in increasing order. So, okay, I can make them anything. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. I will draw it on 4 and then like this. Okay. So we have to find this index, just the index before that, and we'll see which is the just largest index of this. So this just largest index would be over here. So in this case it would be 4. So we will just swap this. So it will produce 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3. Because this is the case where you can start. Because in any other, if you're just doing any other thing, just do any possible swapping over here. They will produce a smaller permutation. So to produce a larger permutation, we will be swapping this with this. Okay. So if I am gonna try to write stepwise, step 1, traverse backwards. We have to traverse backwards. So find I such that array of I is less than array of I plus 1. So basically we are finding the peak. Here. Element before the peak. Yeah, you may say the element before the peak. Point 3 is find the. Let's suppose this number is in this index is index 1. Find the number which is just greater than array of index 1. Okay. So how can you say that after when like in this case, when we have replaced these elements, this will again be in the sorted order. Because I can say that because I am replacing this just greater than this. I am replacing this element with an element which is just greater than this. So above that will always be greater than this. Okay. And below that, which is smaller, this will all be smaller than this also. So yes, we can say that this sorting is still maintained. Sorting is still maintained. Reverse back. Yeah, find the number which is just greater than index one. So now, after doing this, I think there was no need to write this. But after doing this, we will just reverse the array starting from index plus. So why this must be done, I can explain you that. So after doing this, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4 was the original permutation, and I just swap this one with this thing. Okay. I found that you are just. I'll do surely not. I'll do surely something like that. Yes, 1, 11, and then we'll say okay, it's 2, 3, 9. Correct. So what we'll do, we will just replace 8 with the 9 according to. So this will become this will be 1, 8, 2. So this is just larger permutation, but this is the maximum value of it. We have to sort them in ascending order, right? We will just replace this one. Oh, sorry, my mistake. We will sort it from 11. 1, 4, 9. This is the just large. Good. So yeah, let's start coding. I have just made a basic code structure of swap and reverse here because you will be needing it, right? The very first loop, finding I, set that a of I is smaller than a of 1, reverse order. I was just the one thing I have learned in my previous days is it's always better if I just take this as a variable. I is equals to minus. Why I'm not taking starting from I is ln. I'm not starting from ln minus 1 because there is no I plus 1 for that particular thing. So yeah, say that I is 1. This is the number. Okay, this is the I, right? This is the I. We have got the I. Now, starting here, we will write our entire next one. So, suppose j equals to I plus 1. So, j equals to. Again, I will start from the last element. J must be greater than I and j must be less. So, I will be finding just maximum. If nums of I. If nums of j is greater than nums of I, the very first element which I will say that, oh, I got it. So just swap that element j I. This is done. And after that, I will say break from this one. I don't need any. After this, I will say, okay, reverse the array. I will say, reverse the array starting from I plus 1. And then I will make a function reverse. Yeah. So, okay, I need to pass some int I will say that, okay, you can start. Okay. Yes. Yes. You said we can't rely. We got a wrong answer. Let me check. Mistake. So one thing that I forgot to do, we need to keep we will say that after doing this, I'm not. So as is here, it means there has no swapping after, and this entire is in descending order. So I will say that if flag equals first starting from 0. It says wrong. Okay, it says 2, 3, 1 and expected 2 and 3. Okay, here the but after this, right? We passed here G as 1. No. We passed J as 1. Basically, there must be a proper function to reverse it. Not gonna reverse them properly. Yes, so this will not work properly. Now, start condition. Yes, we need to do this way, right? Start condition is right. Voilà. I need I'll say that and I'm thinking of it. uh, what would be the error? I don't know. Oh, we have put the brake statement over here. Now, let's submit it. Wrong answer. Huh? I don't know. How could this be wrong? This is insane. These are exactly due to same man. How are they saying that this is I think that we just we forget to do this. It is completely fine in the case of yeah. So finally we solved this question after 30 minutes.